All right, guys, this is it. Box 8. Last box. I got to go to Walmart. It's the only place open because I'm out of printing paper. So, and then I'm shipping Clearly Authentic and the Monumentals. Well, packaging the Monumentals anyway. Didi Gregorius, Bryce Harper, Brian Anderson for the Miami Mullets. Otani insert. Brian Dozier, negative. Glaber Robles, Carlos Correa, DeJong, Francisco Lindor, Alcantara refractor. So 2 Miami autos. At least it's different players. We had a case. We had a box with 3 Braves autos. Rhys Hoskins, that is the variation. I really like these cards. I really like them. I was getting worried we weren't going to hit one. Nice hit. Nice card. Longoria. Masahiro. Machado. Bryce Harper refractor. Ian Happ. Ian Happ refractor. Daniel Robertson, Harrison Bader. That one's not a redemption. For the Cardinals, that's our 3rd auto. Colome, Mookie Betts, Barreto, Mejia, Trey Mancini to 75. 29 of 75 on the Trey Mancini. All right, this should be an auto. Jay the Bruce, Kyle Schwarber, and Mela for the Reds. Ozzie Albies refractor. Chris Bryant insert. Francisco Mejia refractor. Ozzie Albies. Kendrys, Jacob Turner, and Conforto blue. And last auto. Parker Bridwell. Parker Bridwell for the Angels. Wrong Angels rookie pitcher, but what are you going to do? All right, guys. that is box 8. Let me do the recap for you. So, Conforto, Mejia and Albies Refractors, Trey Mancini, Rhys Hoskins Variation, Brian Dozier, Ohtani, Bridwell, Mela, Bader, Alcantara Refractor, and Brian Anderson. All right. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm going to go ahead and save your videos, and I'll post them up to YouTube, post them in a thread, get you some pictures, all right? All right, talk to you later.